Which town in Odisha is situated on the banks of Mahanadi River? Answer: Cuttack. Which country is the main producer of coffee? Answer: Brazil. Where is the Victoria Memorial located in India? Answer: Kolkata, West Bengal. What is the old name of Thailand? Answer: Siam. Which river is called China's sorrow? Answer: Hwangho. Which line separates North Korea and South Korea? Answer: 38th parallel. In which continent do Red Indians live? Answer: North America. What is a ring or horse-shaped coral reef called? Answer: Atoll. Which instrument is used to measure the difference in elevation between 2 points? Answer: Clinometer. What are the grasslands of Australia called? Answer: Downs. Which movement causes formation of moraine, that is, debris or fragments of rock material? Answer: Glacier. Which limestone region has the most of the drainage underground? Answer: Karst region or karst land. What are the plants which are adapted to living in dry climatic condition called? Answer: Xerophyte. What is the capital of Mongolia? Answer: Ulaanbaatar. Which is the third most populated country after India? Answer: USA. Where is the Namdapha National Park located? Answer: Arunachal Pradesh. Where is the Central Railway Zone headquarters located? Answer: Mumbai. Which crops are the examples of Kharif crops? Answer: rice, maize, millets, groundnuts, cotton, jute. Which soil is formed due to the weathering of rocks in high temperature and heavy rainfall? Answer: laterite soil. What is the shallow lake formed between the sand and seacoast called? Answer: lagoon. Which forests have more than 200 cm annual rainfall? Answer: tropical evergreen forests. What type of rock is basalt? Answer: igneous rock. Which winds blow from subtropical high pressure belt to subpolar low pressure belt? Answer: westerlies. On which day does the summer solstice occur? Answer: June 21. Which planet is known as the morning star as well as evening star? Answer: Venus. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel and please click the bell icon for daily notifications. Thank you.